Today we will see how we can create rosters and add students to Khan Academy. So simply you will first log in your teacher's account. You can simply go to your browser and log in khanacademy.org. You can check the spell here. When you will open, this dashboard will come and you will simply log in. You can see here is an option of logging in. Simply click on this. Since I have created the teacher's account that all the teachers will be using, and the accounts are created grade wise, so simply if you are a teacher of class 7, you will simply write this username and password here, math lab dot 7 v11. In Roman you're writing 7, and the password, I will share the password separately to you. You will write the password here and simply click on login. Okay, you can see the ID has logged in, and you can see all of the options as a teacher's account. In the account you can see I have created all the classes for all the sections from all three schools we have in Karachi, like MA means Mizan, QBHS, and in the last you can see TLH, both sections of class 7, right? So if you are a teacher of class 6, so you will log in with the ID of class 6, and again you will see all the sections, right? Now what you will do, you need to add students in your rosters when students will be in lab in front of you. Simply for example, you want to add students in class 7B, so you will simply go to class 7B, and since we do not have any student in our classes, so it is redirecting us to students roster so that we can add students first. If it does not happen, you can see all the tools here. So in the last you have admin section. In admin section you see this is the students, so you can click on students and you can see students roster. In future if you want to add any students, so you have to follow this practice. So simply click on students and you'll see student roster, and here you see this is the code that you need to share with your students so that they can join this particular class. All the sections, like for example if you want to join class 7, so class 7 C would have different code, so all the classes have different codes like this. Okay, it makes sense. Great. Okay, now what part students need to do, let's start with it. I am opening another Khan Academy in my incognito mode. Like, since students are learners, so they will not click on login, they will simply click first time when they are logging in on learners. So here you can see there is an option of enter class code. Click on this, ask them to click, and it will ask you for the class code. So this is the class code that I previously shared. So you will write it down somewhere so that the student can see and write on their screens. Put this code here in all caps letters. Continue. Now it is asking whether you need to create a new account or you want to log in with the existing one. So you will click on the existing one, since we will continue their Google accounts, and they will click on continue with Google. Make sure you do not mistake, and students are not mentioning username and password directly to Khan Academy. They are continuing with clicking on continue with Google. Since all of our students have their own Gmail account of our domain, so they can simply provide that username. Make sure they are using their officially provided username and password of Google here. Okay, fine. When they are, it is logging in, you can see logging in is mentioned here, but the students sometimes feel like nothing is happening and they click on Khan Academy or somewhere else and the process stops. So make sure that ask them to wait, since the process it is loading. Now you can see as a student I have logged in, my name is here, I can pick my username, I can change everything from here, but I have joined the classroom. In the teachers tab, if you will refresh, I think you can see the student who have joined. Like this, you can see this one student has joined. I can also select their usernames, which will be displayed in your screen and their screens as well, and I can see multiple options to delete this, remove this student, stop teaching, like there's so many options. Okay, fine. So this is how you will ask in your first class to join Khan Academy and join your classes. This is the first step. In the next video I will discuss how you can assign a student and where a student will start working on the assignments. Thank you so much.